Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to secure their financial future. How to start building your wealth from scratch. Whether you're in your 20s or 30s, it's never too late to start. So let's get right into it. On understanding wealth. First, let's talk about what we mean by wealth. Wealth isn't just about having a lot of money, it's about having assets that can generate income over time. This includes investments, properties, and even skills that can lead to higher income. The goal is to create a system that works for you, allowing your money to grow over time. 2. Setting your financial goals. Step 1 in building wealth is setting clear financial goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve financially? Are you saving for a house, retirement, or maybe starting a business? How much do you need to save each month to reach these goals? Write these goals down and keep them visible. This will help you stay motivated and focused. 3. Creating a budget. Next up is budgeting. A budget is your roadmap to financial success. Start by tracking your income and expenses. You can use apps like Mint or YNAB to help you out. Here's how to create a simple budget. 1. List your income sources. 2. List your monthly expenses, both fixed and variable. 3. Subtract your expenses from your income to see how much you have left for savings and investments. 4. Building an emergency fund. Now that you have a budget, it's essential to build an emergency fund. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Why? Because life happens. Unexpected expenses can derail your financial plans if you're not prepared. Start small, aim to save $500, then gradually increase it. 5. Paying off. Debt next. Let's talk about debt. If you have debt, it's crucial to tackle it. High-interest debts like credit cards can be particularly damaging. Consider using the snowball or avalanche method to pay off your debts. Snowball method. Pay off your smallest debts first to build momentum. Avalanche method. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first to save on interest. 6. Investing basics. Once you've established a budget, built an emergency fund, and tackled debt, it's time to invest. Start with retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA, especially if your employer offers matching contributions. Additionally, consider opening a brokerage account to invest in index funds or ETFs for diversification. Investing is a long-term game, so begin small and gradually increase your contributions as you gain confidence. 7. Continuously educate yourself. Another key to building wealth is continuous education. Read books, listen to podcasts, or watch videos about personal finance and investing. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better decisions you can make. 8. Building additional income streams. Finally, consider creating additional income streams. This could be through side hustles, freelancing, or starting your own business. The more sources of income you have, the faster you can build wealth. Summary of key points. To wrap it up, building wealth from scratch is a journey that requires time, patience, and discipline. Remember to set clear goals, budget effectively, build an emergency fund, tackle debt, invest wisely, educate yourself continuously, and explore additional income streams.